Hi viewers, welcome to History Lessons. Today we are going to discuss about the world history short notes. In this session, we discuss four short notes: Fall of Constantinople, Printing Press, Dante, Copernicus. See the synopsis. Fall of Constantinople, 1453. The fall of Constantinople occurred 1453 AD. Turks Byzantine Empire capital. It converted as a Byzantine Empire capital. Ottoman Turks captured this capital. Scholars migrated to Italy from Constantinople to Italy. And it's make a path for Renaissance and also it's make path for geographical discoveries. The next short note question: printing press. Printing press invented by John Gutenberg, Germany. Books available for cheap. Knowledge spread in speedy manner. Bible and religious literature firstly printed. After that, literature and scientific books are printed. Knowledge seeds spread. It boosted to raise the Renaissance throughout the Europe. It is one of the factor for Reformation. Next short questions. Dante, the great Italian poet, he wrote so many books. In this book, Divine Comedy, it is one of the famous work. He described about the hell and paradise. His book critically examined the hell and paradise, how the people are believing these two concepts, troubles and pleasures. And also, he pointed out the vices of leaders, ills of Italian society. He is called as father of Italian poetry. Next short note, Copernicus. He is a Polish priest. He brought a famous theory in astronomy, heliocentric theory. Before that, Ptolemy geocentric theory was publicized so many centuries. But on the revolutions of the celestial bodies, he wrote a book. Planets revolve around the sun. It make a path for a blow for Ptolemy theory, and Copernicus created heliocentric theory. His ideas supported by Kepler and Galileo in after March. So these are the four short notes we will discuss in this uh, session. So firstly, we will concentrate on fall of Constantinople. Fall of Constantinople. See, this is the Constantinople fall. Politically, the fall of Constantinople occurred in the year 1453. Ottoman Turks made the Europeans seek an alternate route to the east. Now the Europeans had no means getting oriental goods like spices. They completely depend upon the Italian merchants. When the Turks occupied the old trade route between Europe and Asia, the people of Europe began to feel pinch. Their search for a new route to the east led incidentally discovery of the new world. The fall of Constantinople in 1453, the capital of Byzantine Empire, was captured by Ottoman Turks. Christian scholars fled the capital with the classical works, and many took refuge in Italy. The scholars awakened the people with their knowledge. Thereby, the spirit of love for reasoning and scientific inquiry was inculcated in the people. Thus, a fresh impetus of the Renaissance was provided by the Greek scholars. These are the important effects of fall of Constantinople. Constantinople is the heart town for the Christian Empire, but the Turkish Empire captured and annexed the Constantinople in 1453. After that, so many events occurred. Constantinople is the junction between Asia and Europe, but that part, the junction hard part region, was occupied by the Muslim rulers. Then the Europeans had to search for alternate routes that led to geographical discoveries, as well as the scholars and the famous inventors, as well as intellectual people migrated from Constantinople to Italian towns. It led to the Renaissance seeds in Europe. These are the impact occurred during the fall of Constantinople. So this event occurred in 1453. In 1453, the Constantinople was annexed by Turkish Empire. The Christian Empire finally defeated the Holy Roman Empire. It gave a blow by the Muslim empires. It sparked for the new discoveries as well as Renaissance, all other impact. So this is the first short note we have discussed. Next, when you observe the other short notes, the printing press. The printing press invented by John Gutenberg, Germany. A knowledge spread in speedy manner. Especially the intellectual revival of Europe was made possible by the introduction of paper as well as printing press. Printing press was invented due to the efforts of John Gutenberg and William Caxton. These efforts made enormous changes in Europe as well as in the world. John Gutenberg and William Caxton invented the printing press. Paper was introduced in European world by the Arabs. With the introduction of printing press, ideas spread quickly and widely. Books were made available at a cheaper rate. Knowledge was confined only to the clergy in previous days, but after inventing of the printing press, it was spread for the common people also, and also reached the knowledge to the poorest of poor could have access to the noblest literature. Initially, the religious literature and other things were printed through printing press. Gradually, the scientific literature and the classical literature was printed through printing press, and it was spread in a speedy manner to the common people. So, the printing press made knowledge and wisdom to the common people. It made enormous change in the lives of Europe as well as in the world history. This is the brief inputs of printing press. Initially, the indulgences as well as other things were printed. Slowly, it spread to the other impacts. Another short note in this session is Dante, the great poet, Italian language, Divine Comedy. He wrote Divine Comedy. By this, he spread so many ideas. He spread so many ideas. See the Divine Comedy, the Dante. Dante was a great poet. He was known as father of Italian poetry. He came to widely known his epic poem Divine Commedia. This was written in Italian language. Here he tells his travels through hell, purgatory, and paradise. A travel between hell and paradise. Lost in dark wood, Dante meets in Latin poet Virgil, who acts as his guide throughout hell and other things. There they encounter the souls, those who had died in the past ages like Homer, Plato, Socrates, Caesar, and Ulysses. His descriptions and tortures in hell and pleasures in heaven attracted the attention of many. In this poem, Dante indirectly described the vices of political leaders and ills of Italian society. So, Dante critically examined the evil practices and bad evils in the contemporary Italian society, as well as in his famous book, The Divine Comedy. He criticized the people's ignorance in a critical manner. These are the important things that were described by the Italian literate Dante. Next, we concentrate on Copernicus, Polish priest. He's a famous astronomer. He created a new theory, heliocentric theory. According to him, Earth is not center of the uh, solar system, and the revolutions of celestial bodies and planets revolve around the sun. He made a pinpoint fault in Ptolemy geocentric theory. Copernicus' ideas was supported by Kepler and Galileo. When you see the Copernicus, so the Copernicus, Ptolemy proposed geocentric theory. According to geocentric theory, Earth is the center of the entire system. But it was propagated for nearly so many centuries. The geocentric theory, though it was false, it was continually gone for centuries. Nicholas Copernicus, he invented new ideas. Copernicus was a Polish priest. He studied canon law and medicine and got himself acquainted with ancient Greek astronomers. In his book on the revolution of celestial bodies, he pointed out that Earth is not the center of the universe, but simply one of the number of planets which revolve around the sun. So, in the Copernicus system, the Earth was assigned a much less important place in Ptolemy geocentric theory. So, it was finally proved by the Kepler as well as Galileo's theory. Copernicus newly invented the heliocentric theory. According to heliocentric theory, in the solar system, Sun is the center. Uh, from the Sun, all the planets will revolve around the Sun. Before that, Ptolemy proposed the geocentric theory. It was propagated for so many centuries, though it is false. It was believed by so many centuries. But Copernicus, the theory Copernicus was popularized by Kepler and Galileo in a scientific manner. So, these are the main items we have discussed. So, dear viewers, when we observe the short questions, the fall of Constantinople uh, and the printing press, Dante, Copernicus. These are the keywords. Through these keywords, you can easily describe in short answer questions. In the fall of Constantinople, the main keyword is 1453. In that year, Turks they have occupied the Byzantine Empire capital. Ottoman Turks captured. After that, the scholars migrated to Italy. It make a path for Renaissance, and also it make a path for geographical discoveries. Printing press. John Gutenberg invented it in Germany. Books are available for cheap. Knowledge spread in a speedy manner. Bible, literature, and science. All these books were printed through printing press. Knowledge seeds that created Renaissance. It is also one of the factors for Reformation. Dante, he was a great poet, Italian language. Divine Commedia. He wrote Divine Commedia. In that Divine Comedy, he expressed so many things between hell and paradise. The troubles and pleasures both in hell and paradise was described, and also he pointed out the vices of leaders as well as ills and bad evils of Italian society. He was called as father of Italian poetry. Copernicus, he was a police priest, is a great astronomer. He proposed Earth is not the center of the solar system. On the revolution of the celestial bodies, he proposed heliocentric theory. He pointed out the fault in Ptolemy's geocentric theory. Later, Copernicus' ideas were supported by Kepler and Galileo. These are the short questions we have discussed in these sessions. Like these historical contents, we'll discuss it in later sessions. Thank you.